Ladies and gentlemen, if you love lots of color, then this video is for you. Friend, how have you been? What's going on, good looking? Welcome back to the Feel Good Painting Station. You are in for a treat. We're going to be here for a good time, but not a long time. Today is a special video. Aww. I believe that it is important to pay it forward and to surprise people when you can, treat others with kindness and love. And today, I want to introduce you to a rather newer artist. You may not have seen her before, but I have fallen in love with her art because not only has she inspired me, but she has challenged me to step outside of my box even. And that artist is Lotus Chandra Art. And it's really into your ring pores, straight pores, wandering pores. And now, if you've been following my channel, y'all know I had a little nasty breakup last year with straight pores. I got hooked, let's say addicted, to straight pores, and I had to just back up from it. Not because I didn't enjoy doing it, but those videos on my channel, what's a channel? Tanked. Like from beginning to end. Last year was one of the worst years as far as viewership for my channel. But baby, I took it all in stride because I was doing what I loved to do. But amongst that nasty breakup, you know, there's always a rebound. And this artist has inspired me to kind of revisit and do some wandering pores. And so I am going to give you a good tip today because Lotus Sandra, she uses the wildest color combinations, but baby, they look good. And so today I'm inspired by her colors and I'm painting, and I got a little secret to tell y'all. Now this stays between you and I. Off camera, I've done about 10 of these now. So the tip is how to use wild and crazy colors, but make them look good. So it's come up. You got to stay tuned because, baby, they pay me pennies for these videos. So I need y'all to watch just a little while longer for the tip. Stay tuned. So you have seen my colors. Almost all of these are custom mixed, so I cannot tell you exactly what's in them. So long story short, I have a bunch of leftover paint from 2 events that I've done, and I need to get rid of it. So I'm making colors with that paint that's left over because I don't want the paint to dry out and get lumpy and clumpy. So the 3 colors that are not mixed, this is one of them, which is primary yellow, primary red, and bronze by Acrylic. Okay, everything else is custom mix. So my ratio is still about 2 parts paint to 1 part paint to 2 parts medium. My medium is American Floetrol. Okay, my medium is American Floetrol. And as you see, I have layered my cup, and I got some blacks, some teals. I got a spectrum of colors, if you will. Now, you know your paint consistency has to be right. When you're doing these type of pours, wandering, always include a very dark color like black, navy, a deep dioxide purple of some sort in your cup. And I want you to take a couple colors and pour them in a gradient manner. So if you have red, you take a piece of the rainbow, red, orange, yellow. Or you take teal, light teal, super light teal to white, okay? Take 3 or 4 colors that are next to each other in the rainbow, or 3 or 4 colors of the same color, just changing the gradient, and layer that intermittently in your cup. Doesn't matter what other colors you use. I bet it's going to be gorgeous. Give it a shot. Let me know in the comments. Send me an email with a picture. I want to see what you've made. I have tried this, I told you, about 9 or 10 times, and every single one of them was gorgeous. In fact, here's a sneak peek of another one that I did. Merry Christmas. Happy Kwanzaa. So I'm just laying my flow extender here so that we can stretch this out without losing too much of the detail. Y'all, the reaction of that metallic paint with my off-white is just popping. I cannot get over this teal, so I can't wait to see. But did you notice I poured Christmas colors beside each other? Green, red, and black. And it's gorgeous. All right, so let's stretch this thing out and see what happens next. Look at that. Hold up. Can we just talk about how this intro made me feel like I was in the 70s, baby? I wasn't even born. But if you were born, I know what y'all was doing back there in the 70s. Y'all was having a good old time smoking that. This music is psychedelic and nostalgia. Y'all, I feel like we are on the set of a 1970s reject music video. Y'all, we almost done. There's no need for embellishing All we need to do is work the composition a little bit. Make sure we got enough paint off of our canvas. Look at the gorgeous colors we created. Now, I used as much paint as I do for 20 by 20 on this 10 by 20. So I had to get a lot of the paint off. Otherwise, I would not have had to stretch it as much, but it is still gorgeous. And we still have a lot of our gorgeous yellow that we didn't lose to changing colors. There is one big old cell in this whole painting that I'm going to show you. And then the clouds are just so puffy. The gradient changes of the teal. I just love this piece. I love it. So one little area of touch up that I'm going to fix. Y'all know I'm a surgeon part-time, a painting surgeon, that is. So we're going to fix it, and look at that sail, y'all. Isn't that dope? And these little blue balls of teal and sky blue goodness are just my favorite part of the piece. And you know, sometimes, y'all, I have to just sit back and I have to be super grateful and thankful that I can get up here on God's internet, be goofy, paint, and YouTube will pay me mere pennies to do it all. I'm joking, and y'all know I like to have fun, but seriously, like, I get to do what I love. Don't make no money, but I get to do what I love. And someone is out there to watch it and have a great time. You have to be grateful for the small things in life. Seriously. So I hope you are enjoying this video. Lately, I've been giving y'all a lot of my shenanigans. I used to have crazy shenanigans all in my videos, but I tamed it back, not because I just necessarily did. I just, you know, ebbs and flows of life and things, but y'all getting all this craziness today. Look at the paint drips. Even the paint drips are gorgeous, so I had to film them, give them a little shine. And I managed to save some of the extra paint that's left over, and I'm just going to pour it in one of those colors and keep on using it, baby. We're going to use it up.